Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install Tally on MacBook. As you can see, I'm using a MacBook on OS X version 10.10.4, and here's a Tally which I've already installed. Tally on MacBook would take a better time to open depending upon your RAM space, because obviously it's a Windows software using it on MacBook. So you can use Tally uh, as normal as you do it on Windows. You can see I have created a practice company over here and I have passed some entries. I'm using mouse just to show you all, but you can use your keyboard as you do uh, on Windows. The only thing you have to remember here is instead wherever you use Alt, instead of Alt you have to use Command key on your Mac. So let's close it and get back to installation process. So to install Tally, you need two softwares. One is Wine Bottler and other one is obviously the Tally. For Wine Bottler, what you have to do is open your Google and go to and search Wine Bottler. Once you search Wine Bottler, click on this first link. Wine Bottler run Windows-based program on Mac, and this is the home website of Wine Bottler. I have installed Wine Bottler 1.7.3.7 development. So for all the people in India, you cannot download it from over here because the download link of this website has been blocked by Government of India. So what you can do is I have provided a link below in this video, so you can click on it and other people can also click for direct download over there. For Tally software, you need to go to tallysolutions.com, click on download Tally ERP9. Here Tally ERP9 Lite installer 32-bit. Please download only this Lite installer because other don't work on this. So what you have to do is, once you have downloaded the softwares, is you have to go to your system preferences, go on security and privacy, see this gray out area, click on this lock button and put your admin password. Once you have put your admin password, all you have to do is click allow app download from anywhere. Once you have done it anywhere, do it, lock and close it. Click on it, and what you have to do is then open the downloaded file of Wine Bottler and copy this both application Wine and Wine Bottler in your application folder, which I have already done over here. So now let's get started. Once it is done, you can just remove it. You just don't need the Wine Bottler installer anymore. Just double click on install exe. Sorry. First, what you need to do is you need to create a folder where you would install all Tally files, because uh, on the first installation it won't work on OS X. You would need all the installation file so that you can link it to it. It's a very simple process. You don't have to do anything. Just create a folder. I'm creating it on desktop just for you. I have created my Tally folder in my documents Tally over here. All you have to do is just rename this folder. I'm renaming it as Tally for YouTube, and it's just an empty folder. Double click on install. Here you'll get two options: run directly, convert into simple OS X application bundler. Click on convert and click go. Here ensure that you have clicked on this is an installer and executor, and do not do change anything over here. Just click on install. Here then it would ask where you want to install. I need to install it on desktop. Please remember this is a application file from where you are going to access this file. So please keep it over there. It is not a shortcut. So put a tally, as I have already a tally on my desktop, I would put tally for YouTube, as I am doing it for YouTube, and I would press save. Now Wine Bottler would start installing tally for me. Just wait till you get a tally installer. Here you get your tally installer. Click on next. I'm using single user. Or do next. Here, this is C drive. Don't press next over here. Click over here. Go to my computer. Go to Z drive, because this is where your OS X is installed. You need to save all this installation file in your OS X. This is critical. Here, I would save all the files in tally for YouTube. Here it is done. Now I would put next. Install. Installation has been done. Click, remove that launch tally. Finish. Here it is done. Click OK. Successful. OK, and then please close this file. Here this is the file which we have installed. If you see, it won't open. So as I told you, it is critical to keep this tally files. So what you have to do is just delete this application, go over here, this is the file which was installed by tally. All you have to do is just find tally exe in this folder. This is the tally exe. Double click on it, convert to simple OS X application with the wine bottler. OK. And this time what you have to do is click on this is a program, copy it and all files in the same folder. Click on next. Now you can keep it anywhere you want. Like I want it on desktop, I would say final, save. And please wait till this installation process is complete. It is created. Now I don't need this file. I would close this application. Please do not delete this folder, because this folder is very critical. This is the first time you are using it, that's why it's saying that. Here your Tally ERP9 is ready for use. As you can see, I can put activate my license, I can go in educational version, I can select a company or create a company, and I can close it. As I told, that was first time, that's why it took so long time. Here again I am clicking on it. Now it won't do anything like that. Here your Tally is ready to use. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave your comment below. If you need any help, I would like to help.